Here I have OPPO Reno 5 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to customize your notification bar on this device. So as you can see, I have like my notification bar and notification panel here, the usual one, but you can actually customize it. All you need to do is to just download the app OneShade Custom Notifications and Quick Settings from the Play Store, and you have to open this app. Grant all the permissions it requires here, like dual SIM, accessibility permissions, notifications, and now you can use this app. For example, as you can see, I already have the custom layout, not the one I had before, and you can actually customize this layout here. For example, you can customize tiles grid, but you will have to pay for this function, unfortunately. Okay, so what else can you customize for free? You can select the big clock position, like it being on center, but right now it's on the right. You can select small corners. Enable blinders, slider and header. Show power menu button. Wow, this one is actually pretty neat. Show network speed meter. You can. Wow, now we see our internet speed. Very useful function. You can customize colors of your notification bar. For example, let's set it to be black. An active tile, let it be like the pink one, I guess. And as you can see, now I have this in different colors. And all the other things that you can customize. Some you can customize for free, some of them are not for free. Download this app. And get to know which things you can do, which you can't, and customize your notification bar for yourself. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.